It can be surprisingly frustrating when your Vizio smart TV suddenly switches to a different language and you can't easily understand the menus anymore. This usually happens after a reset, an accidental settings change, or when someone else uses the TV and selects another language. The tricky part is trying to navigate back to English when everything on the screen is written in a language you may not recognize. Even simple options can feel confusing when you're unsure what each menu says. The good thing is that the layout of the settings menu stays the same no matter the language, so once you know the exact path to follow, you can switch everything back quickly. It only takes a few steps, and after that, your TV will return to English, making navigation clear and comfortable again. Try these. Step 1. Press the menu or settings button on your Vizio remote. Step 2. Go to the system settings. Step 3. Select the language option. Step 4. Scroll through the list of languages until you find English. Step 5. Select English and confirm your choice. Step 6. Wait a few seconds for the TV to apply the language change.